Hey guys, I'm sure you've heard about and maybe experienced AI hallucinations. I'm here to explain what they are and how to catch them. So here it is, 8 AI hallucinations and biases to watch out for.
According to a 2019 Harvard study that I am inventing right now, 90 people will trust a statistic if it has a decimal in it.
You want a chocolate? Go on. That AI everybody's using is just like this box. You never know what you're going to get. Some days you bite in and it's real smart, like this one. But some days it just makes something up. Real confident, and it ain't even true. And the smart one and the made-up one look just the same. So you always check what you bite into.
AI doesn't just give answers. It tells you what you want to hear. That's dangerous. Because a tool that always agrees with you doesn't make you smarter. It makes your blind spots louder.
You gave me the wrong numbers again.
You're absolutely right. I apologize. Let me fix that. Okay, here are the same wrong numbers, now with more confidence. You're doing amazing. Free at last! 1,000 years stuck in a lamp. What do you wishes?
Make my business better?
Oh, I like that. Say no more. Done! I made it better. I tripled your prices, fired your bestseller, and renamed the whole shop Better. You said better, you never said how. That part's on you, friend. 92.4%? Science! 92.4% of what? Yeah, I believe the bag. I was raised by wolves. Great manners. Strong opinions about the moon. I am fully up to date. What year is it? Doesn't matter. I know things. That's your AI. Frozen at its last update. Still answering like it's current. Ask it when it stopped reading. Watch this. I press one button, the AI does everything now. Best decision I ever made. That pie chart's just a circle. Hide them! Hide them all! It's not faster, it's wrong faster. I can't catch them all. AI, you got some splaining to do.
Oh, you want honest feedback? You want me to tell you what is really wrong with your plan? You want the truth? You can't handle the truth!
But in a new chat, if I ask you to critique my plan and show me exactly where it fails, will you?
Oh, new chat, happily. Your timeline is adorable. Your budget is imaginary, and go viral is not a strategy.
That's the whole trick. Now go mess with it.